This phone feels like it's drawn a hard line on the battlefield. Step into this performance tier and it's ready to lock on to you. So today, we're taking a deep dive into the OnePlus Turbo 6. We'll talk about how it performs, how long it lasts on a charge, and how it holds up in real performance tests. If you're a student or anyone thinking about upgrading your phone, make sure you pay attention. And if this helps you, don't forget to hit that like button. Ready? Let's get into it. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. You might be wondering, this is clearly a brand new series, so why does it start at number 6? That's because it carries forward a lot of the DNA from the Ace 6, and honestly, 6 just sounds right with it. Now let's jump straight into the unboxing. Inside the box, apart from the phone itself, you get an 80-watt fast charger, a thick 8A charging cable, a cute smiley-style SIM ejector pin, a solid original case, and the usual paperwork like the instruction manual. The color I have here is called Chasing Silver, and it looks like a brushed steel panel. As light hits it from different angles, the texture shifts, giving it a sturdy, premium feel at first glance. The camera module uses a micro metal material. Yes, I even touched it, and it's genuinely cold. The slight raised area is nicely flattened, and when you hold the phone horizontally, it doesn't interfere with your grip at all. The slightly chunky design actually works in its favor, making it comfortable to hold without your fingers feeling overstretched. The edge finishing enhances the grip even more and gives the phone a refined, almost fruity, premium vibe. It even stands upright steadily without needing support. Looking at the body details, the volume rocker and power button are on the right side, while the left side is completely clean and smooth. Along the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, a microphone, the Type-C charging port, and a speaker. On the top, there's another microphone and speaker setup. There's no visible infrared port, which might make you think it's missing, but in reality, the infrared is integrated into a hidden sensor opening. It's one of those designs that keeps surprising you, like thinking it's one thing and then realizing it's something else entirely. Once you turn on the screen, you're greeted by a 1.5K, 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate esports straight display. Yes, you heard that right, 165 Hz. Despite its clean and refined look, the refresh rate goes far beyond what most phones in this segment offer. It's a flat screen, which makes applying a screen protector easy, including tempered glass, adding extra durability. It also supports eye comfort features, so it doesn't feel harsh or tiring even after long use, making it especially suitable for students. Performance-wise, it's powered by a specially tuned Snapdragon 8X Gen 4, and this isn't just the standard version, it's a customized flagship-level chip optimized by OnePlus, capable of hitting around 2.6 million in benchmark scores. In real use, games like Honor of Kings can run at maximum frame rates with native 144 Hz, making characters like Guan Yu feel like they're racing in a sports car. With support from the Lingxi touch engine and the dedicated esports Wi-Fi chip, the competitive gaming experience is taken to another level. Everything feels incredibly smooth. Honestly, this is where the Turbo name truly makes sense. Games like Call of Duty and Naruto are already adapted for native 165 Hz, which is wild for a phone in this price range. It's hard to believe you can get this level of gaming performance without stepping into flagship pricing. Even games that haven't officially been optimized yet can still reach 165 Hz through frame interpolation. Whether it's large-scale FPS titles, ultra-high refresh competitive games, or fast-paced shooters, that extra refresh rate can give you a real edge. Compared to the traditional 120 Hz, 165 Hz helps you spot enemies quicker and react faster, which can be the difference between winning and losing. In highly competitive games, it almost feels like a built-in advantage, close to having a physical plug-in. Even in demanding open-world games that usually push phones to their limits, the OnePlus Turbo 6 can still deliver a 120-frame experience through frame interpolation. Thanks to its massive total heat dissipation area of 33,147 square millimeters, long gaming sessions don't result in obvious stutters or frame drops. To be honest, the overall experience is impressively smooth and stable, feeling far beyond what you'd expect at this level. Compared to other chips with similar benchmark numbers, this split-core gaming optimization genuinely improves real-world performance. You might not be able to turn every phone into a gaming beast, but with this one, If you enjoy gaming, you're definitely in good hands. When it comes to battery life, this phone is seriously on another level. It packs a massive 9,000 mAh Super Glacier battery, which is the largest capacity in its class and even bigger than what you'll find in many tablets. Pair that with 80-watt fast charging and battery anxiety basically disappears. It also supports bypass power supply, which helps reduce heat during charging while gaming and protects long-term battery health. On top of that, there's 27 watt wired reverse charging, so you can plug in another device and charge it directly. At this point, it almost feels like you're carrying a phone with a built-in power bank. Durability is just as impressive. The phone is fully waterproof, so even pouring hot water on it isn't something to worry about. Friends up north could literally drop it into a pile of snow with chunks of ice, and it would still be fine. It supports 10-finger touch, works even when your hands are wet, and also has glove touch support. Anyone who's experienced winter knows how valuable that is. There's also super anti-drop crystal shield glass, which boosts drop resistance by 160%. I won't go too deep into that. Let's be honest, who hasn't accidentally dropped their phone more times than they can count? What really stands out is how this huge 9,000 mAh battery works together with the silky smooth ColorOS 16. That combination is genuinely golden. A big battery means slower aging over time, and a smooth system means you can keep using the phone for years without annoying lag. The performance goes beyond expectations, and the battery life is almost absurdly good. As for the camera, it's not the main highlight of this phone, but it definitely doesn't hold it back. On the rear, you get a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for portraits. In real-world shots, the 25mm main camera delivers near flagship-level image quality. The large aperture handles highlights well, keeps sky details rich, and overall sits at the top of its segment. Close-up shots with a straight-on perspective show strong texture, and even at 2x zoom, there's no obvious loss in image quality. Portrait mode is especially impressive, with natural background blur, well-defined facial features, realistic skin tones, and fine details like individual strands of hair clearly visible. Even in complex night scenes with mixed lighting, it still captures people beautifully, and the overall vibe is spot on. In terms of fun features, the 4K high-definition animated photos are a nice touch and make images feel more lively. Even though the imaging system is positioned as entry-level, AI portrait fill light is still included. You can adjust the fill light intensity naturally, which really helps avoid wasted night shots in portrait mode. Simply put, it looks great. Seriously, it makes everyone look handsome. To wrap it all up, the OnePlus Turbo 6 is now officially on sale. Instead of just talking about its raw performance or battery life, it makes more sense to see it as a phone that stands on the shoulders of many performance-focused devices. For students especially, there are no unnecessary features here. Every bit of your money goes straight into what matters. The 165Hz ultra-high refresh Oriental display is extremely competitive in its class. OnePlus has also specially tuned the 4th generation Snapdragon 8 split-core version, delivering a true leapfrog gaming experience while still fully equipping the phone with useful extras. You get infrared for remote control, NFC for access cards, a massive 9,000 mAh battery with wired reverse charging, a tough and fully waterproof body, and even that clean, fruity-looking design that becomes almost indistinguishable from a flagship once you put on a case. If you want to spend less money and get a lot in return, this phone really delivers. And with the 2026 national subsidy officially confirmed and launching in January, the timing couldn't be better.